How to send a message to someone on Roblox without being friends. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can send a message to someone on Roblox without being friends. So let's get started with the video. The first step is to open up your Roblox application on your device. Now go to the search bar at the top of the screen, then find the person you want to message by searching their name in the People tab. After you find them, tap on the profile. Now click on the View Full Profile option. Now it will take you to their profile. Here, check if the message button is grayed out. As you can see in this example, the message button is grayed out. So with this particular person, it is impossible for me to message them without being friends. You can only message them if the person has this setting enabled on their privacy tab, which is who can message me. If that person has set it up to everyone, then you can message them without being friends. So if you also want people who are not friends with you on Roblox message you, then you can set it up to everyone so that other people will be able to message you without being friends. So if the message button is grayed out, it is impossible for you to message them. That's it for the video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.